All right. So this is question number one. Let's read it. A curve has an equation this and a line has an equation this, where k is a non-zero constant, it's not a zero. Find the set of values of k for which the curve and the line have no common points. No common points mean, what does it mean? That the line and the curve are not going to intersect, right?
Yeah.
Line and the curve. Curve is this, y is equal to k x squared plus 1, and the line is kx. Where the value of k is not known, we need to find the range of values for k. And you know that when the line and curve are not intersecting, so what's the discriminant at that point? Yes, Raza?
It will be less than 0.
Less than zero. Keep yourself unmuted and try to respond as quickly as you can. Okay?
Okay.
So what will be the very first step to solve such question?
Make it into a quadratic information
We
equation.
start, yeah, we start off writing them equals to, right? Putting them equals to each other. So kx squared plus 1 is equals to kx, right? Because we have to solve them simultaneously. Whenever they talk about, intersection, like a line is intersecting the curve, a curve is being intersected by the line, anything that is talking about intersection of two things, that means we have to solve them simultaneously, right? And then we have to rearrange it to form a quadratic equation. Make sense?
Yes.
After that, we need to find the discriminant, obviously. Okay, so for the discriminant, we have b squared minus 4ac less than 0 in this case, right?
Yeah.
This is my b, this is my a, and this is my c. So my equation would be what? Minus k squared minus 4 into k, then c is 1, less than 0, k squared minus 4k less than 0, right?
Yes.
I can take k common out, it would be k minus 4 less than 0. So k
Yeah.
is equal to 0, or k is equals to 4, right?
Yes.
Now to find the range of values, if I'm very, very exceptionally means good at quadratics, then I can do it directly as well. But I recommend you
Okay.
to just draw the curve here and see that which region or which part of the curve you need. So k0 means it is here, and 4 means, let's say it's here, 4 is here. And if I draw the curve, something it is like this, right? And if you
Yeah.
look at this, one sec. If you look at this or this is my y less than 0. That means I need which portion on the graph? Negative. Hello.
Yes. Negative portion.
That is connected.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, Rosa, do you hear me? Do you hear me? Oh God. No, I can't. My speakers are fine. Oh, okay. Now can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, yes, I can hear you now. I don't know what happened. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so here my y is less than zero. That means I need only negative portion, negative, axis on the y-axis, right? So here
Yeah,
my y is
okay.
positive and here my y is negative. So which portion of the parabola I should be, highlighting?
The negative portion.
The lower portion, right?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, just all right. So I need this one, right? If I'm considering this one, then what will be my range?
Greater than 0 and less than 4.
K greater than zero and K less than 4, right? That is the region I require. So my K is less than 4 and greater than 0. Very nice. Okay, that will be the answer. Okay, for the B part,
Shouldn't k does not have not real values because it's less than 0.
come again.
Like the discriminant is less than 0, so want to have not real roots.
Okay, let me explain this question. Very good question. They are talking about K. When we are talking about real roots, then that are the values of X. X value are the roots of the equation, not K's value. K is already a constant. That is a part of the equation, beta. All
Okay.
right? K is something
Yes.
different. K is a part of the equation. Yes, X are the roots. And in this case, where discriminant is less than zero, so D is less than zero, X is never going to be real. It is something in the form of I. Okay? They are not talking about the
Yes.
roots of any of the equations. Okay? They are talking about X values. Okay. Part two, state the values of k for which the line is a tangent to the curve. Now they have totally changed the scenario. And for this case, find the coordinates of the point where the line touches the curve. Now the scenario has been changed to, hold on, I'm drawing. The line is tangent to the curve, right? And the line is touching the curve at any point. Let's say P. They want the coordinates of P like X and Y to be figured out. All right?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 second. Yeah. State the value of k for which the line is tangent to the curve. Now the scenario is different in a sense. The discriminant would be what?
Equal to 0.
Yeah, b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0. So first we have to find the values of k. And by using those values of k, we have to find the coordinates of the point of intersection. Okay. So again, we are using our, same equation. That is our k squared minus, because we have to start off again by putting them equals to each other, solving simultaneously. We will be ending up with the same equation. All right. So this was kx squared,
Mm.
kx squared minus kx plus 1 equals to 0. Discriminant is now equals to 0. B squared minus 4ac equals to 0. and your values of all of these are the same. Minus k squared minus 4 into k into 1 equals to 0, right? So k squared minus 4k equals to 0. K, one second, k into k minus 4 is equals to 0. K is 0 or k is equals to 4. Okay, tell me, Raza, can we consider k equals to 0? See the equations. If we consider, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. If you consider k equals to 0, this equation would only be y equals to 1. And if you consider k is equal to 0, it would be y equals to x. You don't want this. It's a legit curve, like it's a parabola. Okay, and it's a
Yeah.
straight line. So the value where k is equals to 0 is dropped. We cannot consider it. Okay,
Okay.
rejected. So we have to only consider k equals to 4. If we put k equals to 0, oh sorry, if k is equals to 4, then what are the equations now? Y is equals to 4x squared plus 1 and y is equals to 4x, right? Now these are our equations. Solving these equations simultaneously, you have to find these x and y coordinates. Solve these equations
And
and find point of intersection.
so now in this X, we have only one value.
Once again, I'm just finishing it. Now ask.
Now in this the value of X will be one value
Hanji.
because
Yes.
it's equal to
Yes. Can you do it?
yes.
Okay, so x equals to 1 over 2 and y equals to 2 after solving them simultaneously. Here ends the question. Okay, we have done the first and second part both, right? All good? Yeah, Raza?
Yes.
Oh, charging. Okay, putting the next question. Mm, question 14. Question 14 says, let's read it together. Express this in the form of this, where A, B, C are constant and use your answer to state the minimum value of this. What do you understand by minimum value?
Need to find the turning points and determine whether it is minimum or maximum.
They are already told that these are minimum. So we just need to write them, separately that the turning points are this. And you know that although this part has already been asked in the question, so when you are finding the complete square form of any quadratic, then actually you are finding the turning points, right?
Yes.
So 2x squared minus 10x plus 8 as, one sec, ax plus b whole square plus c. Can you try doing it?
Okay.
Yeah, recording. All right. So this is what we have gotten for complete square. That's it. Now let me write it over here as a x plus b whole square plus c. Okay, second part. No, that was not the second part, but the same questions part. Minimum value. What is the minimum value? Yes, Rosa? Can
To
you
be
hear me?
5 over 2 and minus 7 over 2.
Minimum. What is that? Can you repeat?
Minus 5 over 2 and minus 9 over 2.
It would be minus 5 over 2.
Yes.
Think again. It is 5 over 2. We change the sign of P always. The
Why?
turning points are minus P and Q. And I explained you that why we do so. Remember that or not? Hmm? Remember that or no? Yes or no? Please, quickly.
No.
Huh? No?
Yeah.
Beta, because if you write it like this, to get the value of 0, we have to get the value of x, we have to make it equals to 0. And when we make it equals to 0, obviously the value has to go to the other side. And whenever it goes to the other side, the sign is reversed. So for
Okay.
the minimum value, this is your p. ये तो आपको याद है ना? Do you remember it? And this is q,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
Yes.
But the turning points are actually minus p. Whatever the sign of p you have, just invert it, and q will be coming with its actual sign. Okay, that's why we changed it. Got it now?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, for the second part, find the set of values of k for which the equation has no real roots. What does it mean? Yes, Rosa, what does it mean?
It will be less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0.
Discriminant, yes. So it is 2x squared minus 10x plus 8. No real roots, b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Please solve this question.